So it's that time of the year where you see plenty of good plugin deals. I think it's a good time to talk about VST. If you know my channel, you know I don't use the many VST. So let's take this opportunity to talk about VST. But I don't want to talk about the classic deals like Audioreakt, Soundtoys, Softube. I really want to take this opportunity to talk about the lesser known kind of device. Some of them are already on them, some of them is the one I'm planning to buy for this Black Friday. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, first let's start with MIDI device. I have this one called Harmony Bloom, and it's a really interesting way to kind of generate sequences. And let me just show you. So you have this like rotating, and you can have decide when it's playing. You can change the speed, but you can then kind of change the offset. Change the number of notes, and then you can start to offset to have different type of effect. And so usually it's not something I use like to kind of create hook, but it's something I like to use to create weird dark ambience, because obviously you can generate a lot of notes having some weird scale. On top of that, I like to use even microtuner. So I will have something simple, and then you can just add a lot of reverb. You can randomize everything. So for all this kind of texture or candies, I really like to use it. Now another one I like to use is it's a free Max for Live device called Chorb, and you can basically generate code for you. But the cool thing is you can randomize. So every time you press, it generates a new chord. So that can be great because sometimes I'm looking for a techno stub sound, and I want something a bit weird, and that's a great way to get this. This device basically is from a guy called Swishfu, and you have other free stuff. I haven't tried them, but you might be interested in. Like for example, here you have a FM drum synthesizer. So yeah, that may be worth checking out. And then you have Chordimist, which is a Max for Live device, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of a chord mode. I wish Ableton had the kind of a chord mode like this on the push, basically where each pad is a chord from a scale, and you can totally do that here. You can select the scale you want, and then inside this scale you will have all the different chords related to that scale. You can work as well on the keyboard. But yeah, it's great to kind of trying to find a good chord progression. If you're not a good keyboard player like me, it's really great. You also have, if I understood well, some very nice arpeggiator mod. So yeah, this one I don't have it, but it's probably one I'm gonna get for Black Friday. Now let's talk about VSTs. I already talked about this on my channel, but from noise engineering you have great VSTs. You have some which are free. You have this free bundle, but you also have some paid. You have the Bassimilus Iteritas, which is based on their hardware Audioreakt module, which I own. So I don't have the VST, but I really recommend to grab it because it's very great to create kick drum and bass line as well. They also have other paid VST that I recommend you to check it out. Another instrument that I'm probably gonna buy for this Black Friday is from Force. It's called Opal. You probably heard about it. A lot of techno producers use it, and I've been on the edge to bought it because I feel it's very close in terms of sound to my syntax, but I might pull the trigger this year and get one. It sounds really great. The interface is very great. Yeah, this company have other device that I recommend to have a look as well. You might find some nice gem. So in terms of unknown device, which looks very cool, you have this guy called Kentaro, which is doing a crazy Max for Live device. I haven't tried it, but probably I'm gonna buy one. He got plenty of other devices like reverb, delays. He got this kind of granular device as well. Finally, the last device I'm gonna get is this Filtertable from Kilohertz, which are kind of unique filter based on wavetable, if I understood well. But the great thing, this is perfect for techno because it allows you to slightly modulate the sound. It's a little bit between the filter, the phaser. You can And the thing is that you have plenty of wavetable to try, but you can try them all once, and add them as favorite, and then you can have them here. Now, if you're interested in Max for Live device, I recommend you to go to check out ELPHNT. He got a YouTube channel, but this website, and also you have this curated collection of Ableton tool where he put all of his favorite Max for Live device, and there are just plenty of great Max for Live device. Some of them are you need to pay, some of them are free. Well, check it out. So yeah, hope you've discovered a few interesting devices. Let me know in the comment what you're grabbing for Black Friday, and see you next time. Bye bye.